Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. A little white lie in last night's video. I said I would get out in front of the camera tonight. I think I just need one more day, so tomorrow night you'll see me out in front of the camera. And thank you all. Thank you so kindly for your condolences. Much appreciated. It helped me so much. Time to move forward. And here we are for trading on Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Remember, this is a very risky game. Risky. Never trade without putting in your protective stops first. All right, so we're looking at the Dow Jones Transportation Average Daily Bar. You've been seeing this chart, and I can't tell you how many videos. We'll just grab this little ellipse here. We seen the top one come in, double top. We started yelling double tops produce market drops. Boom, down we started to go. This one was a very clean double top and the one that started it all. So we had our downward movement and we got spiked below the 200 bar moving average. And literally on this day, the Omni flipped and we came out with a video and said maybe, just maybe, we've got a V bottom attempt happening down here. Well, since then we moved up a little bit and now we need to challenge the 200 bar moving average, which is being challenged today, this evening, on Thursday, Wednesday evening into Thursday. That 200 bar moving average will be challenged. And I promise you, fund managers are watching. If we get this, they will pay attention and they will join in. So we need to see a nice little rally above that 200 bar moving average. We do not need to see this. For now, it looks like the possibility of a V bottom attempt is real. Now, in last night's video, I showed you an ugly-looking bear flag in the NASDAQ, and that's when the Omni was red. The Omni has gone green. I've got to show you something bullish, so here we are. It's the V-bottom. The Omni has flip-flopped so often, it's hard for me to figure out how to put my left shoe on or my right shoe on in the morning. I don't know what feet to put them on anymore. You know what I mean? It's just been flipping like crazy. Is what it is. The Omni's been doing a good job dealing with it, keeping us Omniacs either out of trouble or in profit. So we'll continue following the Omni, but it is green for trading. It wants to buy deep dips for trading E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russell on Thursday. So it usually means we're going to vacate the area. The Omni has flip-flopped for a long time now. So kids, it started flip-flopping down here. It flip-flopped the whole way through this. Kept us in tune, by the way. Each day it was basically right. And it hasn't stopped flip-flopping yet. So hopefully it will. One more chart I'd like to introduce this evening is this. Take a look at this Bitcoin chart. Very interesting. See how many times we failed to get above this magical average on Bitcoin? Magical average. Just... look at this. You couldn't ask for any better guide than this average since Wall Street decided to adopt it, or adapt it, if you will. And it has just kept Bitcoin in absolute check since they started using it, and then failure. We're there right now as I film this video. Now, these failures seem slightly more evident. We talked about the downside. What makes Bitcoin now at this very same average a little different? Well, this time slightly different, and it is for this reason. First, make sure that you subscribe on YouTube and at livewithoscar.com. Please do that. Like and share these videos wherever you can. I'd greatly appreciate that. Leave comments below. What makes this different? The 200 bar moving average. It went down, it hit it, bounced up nicely, and now is re-challenging that average that's been keeping it in check. That's interesting. I like that more than when it's usually up here. I talk about we should probably look to sell it. We should look to sell it. I'm not saying that right here. In fact, I like the fact we held. Last time it got to the 200, it held. Last time it got to the 200 bar average, it held. Then this average got involved in a shorter time frame and worked like magic. I like what we've seen. The Omni's bullish for trading Thursday. I say we buy the dips if trading Bitcoin on Thursday. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for all you do. We love your comments. Please leave more. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And then remember, stop soar in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And then join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com.